Welcome to ZloViewer. In this final video of the series we will look at how we can control the output of our media organization effort, execute the changes and do a brief cleanup to mop up any stragglers. Okay, the previous videos have brought us to this point where we have media dated from May 2003 to March 2020 plus the 48 files for which the date isn't obvious, so I set to January 2000. The first thing you want to do is set an output directory for our organized files. Next, let's look at our output settings. The first option is for file naming serialization. You can choose to not serialize, which will keep the file names the same, or rename the files according to a template. The next option to look at is the directory structure. There are several templates built in that you can use, and it's really a matter of personal preference. If you go to the Media Organizer folder in the Settings tab, you can create your own templates for both file serialization and directory structure using the key as a guide. Finally, there is the option to restrict the number of files per directory if desired. When this is enabled, the directory structure will be appended with the file set number for each grouping of files. Let's go ahead and preview our output. Before actually organizing, you should take a look and make sure the output is what you expected. You can change the templates used on the fly. You can click Done to exit the preview, or if you are satisfied with the output you can start organizing. We do that now. The amount of time it takes is again dependent on the speed of your hard drive. In our case it took about 7.5 minutes, which we have sped up for the video. As part of the process, ZloViewer cleans up any empty subdirectories. Taking a look, we can see that there are a lot of subdirectories still under the demo folder, so we should investigate. Google Takeout includes a lot of JSON files that we no longer need, so we'll remove them and try to clean up the directories again. Right-clicking on a folder in the directory tree includes an option to remove empty subdirectories. Better, but there still seem to be some files. While making this video we discovered that ZloViewer wasn't supporting M4V files as seen here. After testing support, we can now handle these files as well, as we show in the addendum at the end of this video. Let's look at the other folders. These JPE files appear to just be thumbnails, so we'll remove them. We'll clean up again. And here are some more random files we don't need. At this point you should have a pretty good grasp of how to do this, so let's take a look at our output folder. We can see our year folders and further examination shows our dates for that year within them. This is exactly as we expected. So we've added support for M4V files and we'll quickly organize them right into our existing output directory. Note that the serialization number follows the existing sequence that is already found in the folder that each file will be moved into.